Thurso community has evolved, of course, since the installation of Dounreay site as a nuclear facility and is part of the community's life.
Dounreay site has been at the forefront of nuclear reactor development in the UK for a number of years. That has now concluded and we're moving into decommissioning and site restoration. The protection of our corporate network and the information held on that corporate network is important because of a number of legal requirements such as GDPR. We also hold classified information which needs to be protected.
Cybersecurity needs to be seen as an enabler, not a blocker, and providing systems that enable the business to carry out their day-to-day functions is key for us.
What we had in place previously with the sheep dip system was inadequate as far as a technical solution, and it was also not auditable in a confident manner. The new proposal by OPSWAT to modernise that security control was exactly what we needed.
We need to ensure that there is a barrier in place that allows us to confidently pass or share or receive or give information.
OPSWAT and MetaDefender drive helps us control that, ensuring that anything that comes into our environment is clean. We are able to run a full scan of third parties' laptops before that comes onto our site and goes anywhere near any of our infrastructure.
OPSWAT has become a really credible solution for a particularly difficult technical challenge.
OPSWAT as a tool provides that confidence to the regulator that we are compliant with the standards expected of UK and we are safely practicing information handling and data protection on a day-to-day basis.